Why should Americans be concerned about Obama's shift from?
Yeah, quite simply, if Iran gets the bomb, which is kind of the path we're on, the whole region is going to freeze. Here we have Israel, which is this amazing innovator, and it is a country that does so much good for the rest of the world, but also it's really closely interlinked with the United States economic interests. We're very close. I mean, Microsoft and these Intel, they have massive investments there, and that's for a reason. Because of that, the whole Middle Eastern region is going to freeze. It's just going to be a backward dark age is going to descend over because nobody's going to be able to do anything about Iran if it does have a nuclear weapon. That's got to stop. And unfortunately, he's not being forceful or assertive. He keeps saying we're going to reset or we let their deadlines go by. And Iran just snickers and laughs. They know very well that this is a paper tiger, and that's why they're forging ahead, and they're strengthening Russia. What happens is if they do check Iran is that Israel's magnificent influence over the region and the rest of the world is going to spread, and it's going to make the Arab countries prosperous. They're going to understand, look, if you innovate, if you free your people, if you let your women vote, if you allow entrepreneurs to start up, we're at an entrepreneurs conference, it's quite amazing. If you let that happen, your people are going to be peaceful and prosperous too. You're not going to be worried about things. That's in your that's your real interest. It's not this oil industry thing. Now, the thing about the oil industry is Obama has halted fracking and done environmental things that have done truly negative things to the U.S. oil industry and discouraged it in general. If the oil industry can develop, that would create competition for the Saudis and the other heavy-duty Arabs that rely far too much on the oil industry. What will they have to do? They'll have to diversify their economies, and then that's when they're going to start listening to Israel, because Israel has long ago diversified its economy. It's a startup nation. Because of that, the importance of energy, of breaking up the energy monopolies, is what's really going to give Israel space to blossom, create an atmosphere for peace, create an interest in what Israel's contributing. Already the Arabs are quietly interested in what Israel's doing, but there's too much political nonsense going on, too much UN and barbaric types of anti-Semitic activity from these multilateral organizations. And for that matter, we're not seeing much help from Europe. So something like this, the energy picture in particular needs to be addressed, just to break up the monopolies in the Arab world and force them to open your eyes. There's a great neighbor that you can learn things from.